Good morning to a work from home vlog. My name is Destiny and welcome to Destiny Vlogs. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you're an OG, you already know, welcome the fuck back.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
This is going to be a really chill little vlog. It is Thursday, September the 12th. The house does need to be cleaned, so we have laundry that needs to be put away. The kitchen island thing looks a hot mess. We got water that needs to be put away, dishes. Like, we have a lot of shit to do. But first things first, we need to set up our laptop and get ready for the work day. We're getting set up. Use our chair. I'm so excited to move, y'all. When we move, we will have an actual office and we'll be able to decorate and all those things. Like, we didn't do much here just because this is in the living room, but we're moving soon. So, I'm really excited for that. Okay, we need trash bags, but I took out the trash bag that was full. And then we do have, like, boxes and stuff, and this needs to go to the trash, too. But we got laundry running. Before we load the dishwasher, let me write that down, though. Because we need trash bags. Peppermint tea. Because it's good for, like, digestion and stuff. And I'm going to add some lemon to it to give me, like, that lemon, you know, hot lemon water vibe. Or I might make two separate drinks. I don't know. We'll see. And doing the peppermint tea. And then I am going to put some lemon in here. Lemon is good for, like, all different types of stuff. I'll put it on the screen, the benefits, because I don't know them off the top of my head. I hope that you guys are having a really good day. I haven't done a work from home vlog in a really long time. Okay, so it's 9:44. I got some work to do, and we're probably going to grind this out until about 12. I need to put some music on so that we can vibe. So let me get my whole setup going. My iPad that we're going to use for the music, I'm just going to listen to, like, a playlist off of YouTube. I've been kind of doing that, like, work mode playlist. Or I might listen to a podcast. But I got this little thing, too, from Five Below, and I just set my iPad on it. I love it. It's the best thing. Because I can use it for, like, cooking or anything.
She gets down just like
Okay, we're about to go to Starbucks because I really need some coffee. So let's go. Okay, we're at Starbucks. Now I'm trying to figure out if I want a caramel macchiato or if I want a blonde vanilla latte. Because lately I've been getting the blonde vanilla lattes, which is why I said I have to order more Nespresso pods. I can be making this shit at home, y'all. I used to work at Starbucks. It's not hard. But it's just honestly for convenience.
What else for today?
Does that come with any flavoring in it? I can't remember.
It comes with classic syrup, yes.
Classic syrup. Can I have that with oat milk? And that'll be it.
Okay, 6 to 5.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I just got a venti iced shaken espresso, and it comes with classic in it, just so I'm doing something new or different because, y'all, I've gotten the blonde vanilla latte like 3 times in the past week. One thing I will say is that I've been using my little Starbucks app to get my rewards, so that's good. I am on the rewards for, like, every app that I can think of. Oh my gosh, Wawa. I go on Wawa all the time to get, like, coffee or just, like, a snack or whatever when I work on the weekends. So I've been definitely making sure to use my rewards because you can get free coffee, you can get free breakfast sandwiches. Use your rewards, y'all. Good, how are you?
Good. I love your hair.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. This is her in all her glory. So I just got a venti shaken espresso with oat milk, and it has the vanilla sweetener in it. But, like, honestly, I have to decide either I'm going to get a Keurig or continue buying Nespresso pods because this was $6. Like, I can make this at home for, like, $3. It's good, yes. But, like, it's nothing that I can't make at home. We're about to make some lunch. I'm really hungry. I made this yesterday. It's so good, y'all. Hold on. Let me show you the inspired TikTok. Okay, so I wanted to say that I'm thinking about making this a series actually on my channel of just cooking things that I save on TikTok because I save so many recipes. I did use shrimp. I used my own seasonings. I don't think I had like chili powder or anything like that, but I pretty much used everything that they used in the video. I'll also tag the creator on here so that they are getting their props. But this was so good, and I love a good bowl. Like, give me a Chipotle bowl, give me a Kava bowl, give me, let me think what else, I don't know, any other bowl. I will tear it up every single time. I used edamame. I did have the carrots. I don't have the furikake, I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't really like spicy stuff, so I used jalapenos. And then also I didn't have the Kewpie mayo, which sucked, or the seaweed, so I did my own little take. Oh my God, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Running with her friends, throwing alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really honest, turning in a given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon'
I'm working until 5, so yeah, the vibes are to eat this, work, and yeah, I'm about to put a podcast on and just like get shit done. So see you guys when I'm done working, and then we're going to the gym later. We just made it to the gym. I don't know what we're doing today. My husband is doing like leading the workout today. My pre-workout snack was a Rice Krispie treat. I don't know where it went, so I guess we're not even doing the pre-workout snack. But okay, let's go. Oh my God. Just got back from the gym, y'all. I am tired. I hate that this steering wheel is so huge that like it blocks any view. But just got back from the gym. I'm exhausted. We did arms and back, and then I did 20 minutes on the Stairmaster. I can pretty much go like, 45 minutes total, but I did go 15 minutes, then I took a break. I'm trying my best to see how long I can last at level 6. And so far at level 6, I can last like 4 minutes. So, y'all, just looking at where I started last year compared to this year on the Stairmaster, your girl has grown. So let's turn the car on because it's hot as fuck. I don't know what I'm eating for dinner, honestly. I'm not really hungry right now, which is really weird considering I just worked out, but I don't know. I'm sure I'll be hungry later. I'm so glad I worked out, y'all, like genuinely. Just tell you my working out goals. So last week, I wanted to start in September. So last week I did 3 days. This week I'm doing 4, and next week I'm doing 5, and then I want to stay committed to 5. That's the working out tease, okay? We are going to order some more workout clothes too, though, because I need some more. In order to consistently work out, I want some cute workout clothes. So, yeah, let's go home. Good morning. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. I'm so sorry. I hope that you enjoyed this day in my life vlog. I tried to get as much footage as I could for you guys and just show you like what it's like to work from home for me. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
TT, 2-turn, baby.